Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex strippers.
Here today I'm here with this unit right here. I'm gonna give you a little bit of information on this wig at the end, but I'm also gonna install this wig and show you how to install your wig. It's gonna be very simple, but this is a very affordable, nice body wave, like, you know, that you can rock for the time being. So yeah, let's just get into this. This is from Hair Time. It's on Amazon. They contact me on Instagram. They wanted me to review for them, so I was like, yeah, I will review for you. Why not? You know, they did pay for the hair, but I'm gonna be 100% transparent, so you don't even got worried about that. Cause baby, I know what it takes to buy your own hair, hoping for the best, and then the hair come out looking a hot mess. So I'm gonna keep it real with you. But this is the unit, and as you can see, my hair, I have take out my hair and I'm gonna braid down to do the installation. But in the meantime, let's just do the unpackaging. There was not much that came with the packaging. Don't be expecting nothing fancy. So yeah, that's one thing I noticed. But you do have the little details about the hair sticker right here, telling you that this is a 13x4 body wave, 28 inches natural body wave. You got a little, anyways, so you do get this little sacking to protect your natural hair. Nice. And this is the wig, this is the wig, this is the wig, this is the wig. Yeah, let's just see what is going on with this wig right here. All right, boom boom. I noticed it's very soft. Yeah, let's do smell check. It doesn't smell that bad, but it still needs to be cold wash. Yeah, it have a little bit of chemical smell to it. Why? I don't know. Okay, so another thing I noticed is the lace. I noticed this is not a 13x4 lace. Like, it's not a 13x4 way 13x4 lace everywhere. Does that make sense? Like, the 13x4 ear to ear is not accurate. That's misleading. It's a 13x4 in the middle, like right here, but the side to side is not 13x4. This is less than 2 inches, but this is not a whole 4 inches. Like, you see what I'm saying? The lace literally right there is just not it. I'm gonna bleach this unit. As you can see, it do need a lot of work done. It does not come pre-plucked, pre-bleach, so you gotta put in the work. But the price of this unit, though, let's just talk about the price for a minute. I'm looking at this price on Amazon and I'm just like, this is very reasonable. So if you're on a budget and you're just trying to get a really affordable wig, this would be the best wig to get on Amazon. The company is called Hair Time. Okay, and this is what it look like on Amazon. Like, this is literally, can you see this? The lighting. Okay, you can see my ring light. But yeah, that's what it look like. It's Hair Time. It have a very good review, but it's not a 13x4, and the lace is not already pre-plucked, bleached. You gotta put in the work. It said 28 inch, and that is just not accurate. That's just false information. But the price is $129. You cannot beat that. Like, you get what you pay for. That's literally what I'm trying to do. But yeah, I'm gonna come back and we can install this wig and see how it's gonna come up on me, because I'm looking forward to looking cute.
That fear is not from God. It's time to grow up spiritually, and it's trying to grow up spiritually. Number 19, fear of conflict. Somebody being mad at me.
there's definitely a lot of work that go into, making this unit look natural, but it is affordable. So if you're looking for an affordable unit, something to just wear for the week, definitely check this unit out. But if you're looking for long lasting hair, I will be bringing more review for units like that. You can find long lasting luxurious hair on AZNBeauty.com. They do have really good quality wig, and yeah, but this unit is on Amazon. It's very affordable, very cheap. The only problem is not true to land. It is not. This is not a 28. I'm 5'2", and like this is not even passing mine. Like it's literally right here. So it is definitely not 28 inches. It's probably 22 inches, to be more like, to be exact. 22, 20, like that's about it. So the length is not it's not true to length. It is not an HD lace. It's transparent, but once you bleach it and do the work, it will come out looking nice. Yeah, it's a nice affordable hair. So if you are looking for something affordable and just for the week and you trying to spend a lot, Hair Time would be your girl to go to. But if you're looking for that luxurious, long lasting raw human hair, check out AZN Beauty. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
We'll work it out. But one thing I know.